Welcome to Humpday Ramblings number 9. As usual, I'm a little bit late, but that's okay. It'll go up. I should probably start shooting these on Tuesdays so they go up on Wednesdays. That would make more sense. Anyway, nothing special going on this week. I'm at the point where I'm waffling about whether I want to do a camper or a truck camper or build out a step van or what I want to do next. I need to get my next trip planned. We're going to do the same thing we did with South Dakota. 2 hops down, 2 hops back. It's going to be a little bit harder because it's going to be a little bit farther. So it's going to be a full 10-hour drive each way, or each day. And then once I'm down there, I think I already mentioned this, I'll spend a couple days in at the Kennedy Space Center and then work my way down to Key West because it's just cool. I want to drive that highway. Meanwhile, I've been playing with printing minifigs for D&D. And I've been doing it the hard way. I've been doing it out of a clear PLA. And I had trouble with the first 2. Printed out a third one, and I noticed that they were getting progressively worse, and that's when it hit me. I should probably dry that PLA, so I threw it in my dehydrator, my handy dandy food dehydrator, and let it go for 2 hours and printed one out, and it came out dramatically better. Literally the point where the supports were close to being actually transparent. So, and those are the only flat surfaces on it. So I just threw it back in the dehydrator for a couple more hours, let it dry, and some more, and I'm going to try another project out of clear. Of course, the problem becomes once it's out of the dehydrator, it starts to absorb moisture again, and then it's just a race against time. So, I don't know. They make dry boxes, but the ones I've seen don't have any sort of air ventilation, which, without airflow, just heating it up isn't going to do a whole lot. It's going to cause condensation inside the box. So, I don't know. If I can't find a better solution, I'll go ahead and make my own. Let's see, what else? Not a whole lot going on. I mean, the world's kind of crazy. Should probably mention that. I don't normally say much about current events, but I'm gonna put a pin in it right here. We're going on, I think, the 3rd week of the conflict in Ukraine. That's all I'm going to say about that, but there's stuff going on. Gas is up to $4.20 a gallon, and it's going to make the trip significantly more expensive this summer. What are you going to do? Anyway, all right, I'm going to let you go. Talk to you next week.